guys, I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy my videos. Here's the game. Hey guys, we are doing the Swingshot / Grindboot course on planet Endako. Grapple! The Grindboots will automatically equip when you get onto a Grindboot course. If you have not played Ratchet and Clank, the first game, then just lean side to side and hit X to switch tracks. Hit X normally to jump. Ow. Don't run into those things because they will hurt you. Alright. Alright, so this is where platinum bolts come in handy. You use platinum bolts to buy weapon mods. Alright, so see, we've got the lock-on mod for the chopper, the shock mod for the heavy lancer, the acid mod for the gravity bomb, and the lock-on mod for the gravity bomb. That one's 1 platinum, that one's 2, that one's 2, that one's 1. So since I use the heavy lancer a lot, I'm going to buy this one and also the lock-on mod for the chopper. Perfect. Alright, that guy was Slim Cognito. Alright, you are able to call him back by hitting triangle at that little button. He will come in several different planets. Alright, so we are going to Vancouver Canyon, planet Barlow. Let's blast off. Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on those levels. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.